First of all, we can all breathe a sigh of relief that SRK won a national award. Maybe for Jawan, but it was long overdue, in my general opinion. But we all know one film that he should have won it for was definitely Swadesh. I mean, come on, man.
खैर
So, what had happened back then is the question. Was SRK cheated by Ashutosh, the director of the film? Or was it someone else? Why was he robbed of a national award that year? Let's try to find out. First, let me tell you in the National Film Award, there is a rule. You cannot win if your film is a remake. That being said, I found out about an old interview of a Kannada film director, T.S. Nagavarna. Hear what he has to say about Swadesh.
I was shocked to see Swadesh almost in a way replica of my film which I had shot in 2002, released in 2000. I was in the jury when Sudhir Mishra was the chairman, and the same film came for the contest. I was a little annoyed, and I told my fellow jury members that it is a remake of my film. You can compare with that. And you know the result. And page 3 got the best film.
But before that, is the film Chiriguda Kanasu actually a replica of Swadesh? And was this the reason Swadesh was not eligible for the national awards as said by Mr. T.S. Nagavarna? It could be because both films thematically seemed similar and characters also seemed to be same. A city boy came to the village, a village grandmother, heroine who is a teacher, all seem to align with the film Swadesh. But before I could come to the conclusion, I got another interview of Ashutosh and see it for yourself.
नहीं ये एक शो जो मैंने किया था एज एन एक्टर जी के लिए किया था वापसी नाम था उसका ये लिखा था एमजी सत्या ने और विनोद रंगनाथ ने डायलॉग्स किए थे और आनंद सुब्रमण्यम हैड डायरेक्टेड इट
I was like, what? It is inspired from an episode he acted in the late 90s. So clearly, T.S. Nagavarna is lying. Not exactly. Because another twist, my friend. You remember that Kannada film that was released in 2003 was actually inspired from a 1951 novel by K. Sivarama Karnath.
What?
So it was possible that the ZTV episode was also somewhat inspired by the novel. I think so, because of my detective skill, Khair. The writer of that episode and the writer of Swadesh, Mr. M.G. Satya, who was asked by Ashutosh to enlarge that episode, and of course, he did a tremendous job in writing Swadesh. But I still wanted to know how it was all connected. My inquisitive mind did not allow me to stop. So, while searching, I saw an interview of M.G. Satya in a newspaper article. There, he said that the personal influence led to the creation of story, and he also mentioned about his Kannada medium school. And there, I had it. So, finally, I reached my conclusion as both the writer M.G. Satya and the Kannada film director T.S. Nagavarna belong to the same state, Karnataka, and could have been inspired by the same story written in 1951. Thus, one thing led to another, and Swadesh didn't win any award, and SRK was deprived. Hello?
सो बेसिकली तुम ये कहना चाहते हो कि चिगिरुडा कनोसू रीमेक थी काइंड ऑफ, इसलिए स्वदेश को नेशनल अवार्ड नहीं मिला, राइट?
हाँ, मतलब लग तो ऐसा ही रहा है.
अच्छा, तो ये बता कि अगर स्वदेश रीमेक होती तो फिर उसे बेस्ट सिनेमेटोग्राफी और बेस्ट प्लेबैक सिंगर का अवार्ड कैसे मिलता?
अरे बेंच